In the previous video, we saw something interesting. When a website opens, ads appear instantly, and behind that, a fast auction happens in milliseconds. This entire process is what we call programmatic advertising. But what does that actually mean? Let's understand it in a simple way. First, let's break the term. Programmatic advertising sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple. Programmatic means automatic, done by a system. Advertising means showing ads. So together it means showing ads automatically using technology without humans manually placing them. Earlier, ads were placed manually. People had to contact websites, negotiate prices, decide where ads will appear. It was slow and confusing, but now everything is done automatically by systems. And here's the interesting part. Programmatic advertising is not just automatic. It is also smart because the system doesn't show ads randomly. It decides which ad to show to which person, at what time, and at what price. All of this happens in milliseconds, and it uses data like your interests, your location, your browsing behavior, your device. That's why two people can open the same website but see completely different ads. Now, to understand this more clearly, let's take a simple example. Think of it like a food delivery app. You open it, and it automatically shows options based on your preference. Programmatic advertising works in a similar way. It connects advertisers and websites automatically and shows the most relevant ad to you. Now let's see how this is different from how ads worked earlier. Let's quickly compare. Earlier, manual advertising, time-consuming, less targeting, more guesswork. Now, programmatic advertising. Fast, in milliseconds. Targeted, data-driven, more efficient. So instead of guessing, the system makes decisions using data. Now let's see how this is useful in real life. For businesses, it helps reach the right audience and reduces wasted money. For students or beginners, this is a high-demand skill with strong career opportunities. And even as a user, now it becomes clear why ads feel so personal. That is programmatic advertising. Simple to understand, but very powerful. In the next videos, we'll understand this system step by step. And if you want to understand how ads actually appear on websites, you can check the previous video.